Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to generate or create a private server link for your games or servers or sessions on Roblox from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I should mention that it doesn't matter if you guys do this on the actual Roblox launcher like I have here, or the browser site, which I have open in another tab. The steps actually remain the same on how you can generate a link for your private server. Now, the idea here is we would first want to make sure that we're logged into our account as an administrator. So as you can see here, I currently have my launcher open, and what you would want to do once you're at the dashboard for Roblox is you would want to go to your inventory. Now, to get to your inventory, you would want to click on the More button on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, if you guys are in a browser, it's pretty much the same deal, only I think it's actually listed here. And then you would want to go to inventory. Now, the catch with this is the way to actually get your link for your server is a bit more obscure than one would think, because it's actually found in your inventory and not under server configuration or settings. Now, as you can see, there's already a tab here that says private servers, and there are two options from here that says my private servers and other private servers. Now from here on out, it's pretty straightforward. You just want to click on my private servers or other private servers. It doesn't really matter. It depends on what server you want to join. So if I were to do other private servers, for example, what's going to happen is Roblox is going to list all of the registered servers that we've joined in the past. Now guys basically just want to make your selection from there, so click on the server, and then there should be an option to generate a private server link there. So and once you do, it's going to randomly generate a link which you can send to friends or people that you want to invite to your server. And so when they click on the link, they're able to join your server without any restrictions. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.